Hello, this video is for setting up Zoom on a Windows laptop or computer. Zoom allows you to make or join video call meetings. There are 3 stages to this video, and we will go through signing up to Zoom, downloading the Zoom program, and how to join a meeting and some of the basic functions of Zoom. You will only need to sign up and download the Zoom program once. Afterwards, you should be able to use Zoom as often as you like. To do this, you will need an email address and able to access your emails, internet access, and a webcam or an inbuilt webcam on your computer or laptop. Step 1. Signing up to Zoom. First, we want to open up your internet browser. Types of internet will vary. You may be using Google Chrome, Internet Explorer or Firefox to access the internet. For this video, we are going to use Google Chrome. Once you have opened your internet browser, you will need to head to the Zoom website. I'm going to do this through Googling Zoom and clicking on the website. The website for Zoom is zoom.us. Once you are on the Zoom homepage and it is fully loaded, you will need to click on the Sign Up button. Zoom will ask you for your date of birth. You will need to enter this in the fields provided. By providing your date of birth, it confirms you are of age to have a Zoom account. Once all fields are completed, click on Confirm. Now you will need to enter your email address and click Sign Up. You will need to remember what email you have used, as you will need this to log into your account in the future. The next step may vary for everyone, but you may get a verification screen like this one. This is just to check that it is a person signing up and not a program. All you need to do is follow the instructions given by clicking on the squares and click Verify. This may not come up for everyone, but if it does, just follow the instructions on the screen. Once completed, your page should look like this, stating an email has been sent to your email address. You will now need to go to your emails and find the email that looks like this with the subject heading, "Please activate your Zoom account." If you cannot find this email, it may have gone to your spam or junk folder, so check these. Once you have found the email, click on the blue button that says Activate Account. By clicking on this button, it will open up your internet browser again to display the Zoom website. You will now need to answer any questions and fill in some details. So for are you signing up on behalf of a school? The answer is no, and click Continue. On this page, you will need to fill in a few details and complete the fields provided, like your first and last name. You will also need to create a password. Zoom has some rules on what needs to be in your password to make it secure. It must include numbers, capital letters, and 8 characters. You will need to remember this password to log into your account in the future, so you may want to note it down on a piece of paper now. Once you have filled in these sections and are happy with the password you have created, click on Confirm. The next page will ask you to invite others to use Zoom. We don't want to do this today, so we are going to click Skip this step. Zoom now gives you an option to test it out using the personal meeting settings. We are going to skip this for now and click to go to My Account. On this page, it will display your profile. Here you can change your settings and edit any information if you wish. Once you are on this page, you are all signed up and ready to move on to step 2. Which goes through how to download the program. Step 2. Downloading Zoom. By downloading the program, it will make accessing digital sessions much easier in the long run. You will only need to do this step once. You will need to head to the web address zoom.us/download. You can access this by also Googling Download Zoom. Once you are on the website, it should show the Download Center. Today, we want to download Zoom for Client Meetings. You will need to click on the blue button underneath that says Download. This stage will differ for different internet browsers, but the basics are a file will now download onto your computer. You will now need to open this file and run the installation. On Google Chrome, all you'll need to do is click on the file like so. Your computer may also ask you to authorize running this file on your computer. You will want to click Allow or enter any information requested. Once the file is running, you will get a screen like this, which means the program is installing on your computer. You will need to wait until this is completed. Once the program is fully installed, the Zoom program will open. As a part of the installation, it will create a shortcut on your desktop. To open Zoom in the future, all you need to do is click on the Zoom icon. Now, using the sign-up information in step 1, we want to log into our Zoom account. Click Sign In. You will need the email and password you created earlier. Fill in the sections provided and click Sign In. If you get a screen like this, you have successfully signed into your account and can start using Zoom. Keep watching for step 3 on how to join a Zoom meeting. Step 3. How to join a meeting. First, I'm going to take you through some of the functions on Zoom. This button is for personal meetings. You can use this function to test out a meeting with just you in to test your microphone and webcam. You can also use this for instant meetings. The schedule button is to set meetings up. You may want to use this for setting up meetings with friends and family. In this video, we are going to focus on joining a meeting. To do so, click on the blue button with the plus sign and a box will appear. First, you will need to enter the meeting ID. But what is a meeting ID? The meeting ID works a little bit like a phone number. Each video call has an individual meeting ID which is specific to that call. You will need to enter this number to join the video call. For Age UK Bexley digital sessions, we will provide the meeting IDs either on our social media website or by calling the main number on 0208 300 0883. Once you have the meeting ID for the session you would like to join, enter this meeting ID into the box. You will also have an opportunity to edit your display name. Others in the video will be able to see your name. You want to make sure the boxes for audio and video are left unchecked, as we will need this for the meeting. When you are ready, click Join. Before Zoom connects you to the call, the program may make sure your webcam and audio are working correctly. For video, you want to click Join with Video. Once connected, you will be taken to a waiting room screen like this. The person hosting the meeting will need to approve you into the video call. When they have, you will be connected into the meeting. On joining, you'll be asked about your audio. You want to click Join with Computer Audio. You are now in the meeting. We will now go through a few functions on the video call. If there is an issue with your video or audio, this may be because the function is off. To change this, you will need to click on Start Video in the bottom left-hand corner. Or if at any point you want to turn your video off, you can then click Stop Video button. This works the same for starting or stopping your audio using the button that has the microphone icon. When you turn your audio off, you will notice there is a red microphone next to your video. To see who else is in the video call, you can click on the Participants button, which will display a list of names. When you are ready to leave the call, click on the red button on the bottom right-hand corner, which says End. Say goodbye and click Leave Meeting. And that's it for setting up Zoom.